Good morning, it's Steve here, Bradley Plumbing, Heating and Gas Services. Just wanted to show you a little, a central heating filter basically that's poorly maintained in a system that's very sludged up. We're here actually replacing the whole of the system, so the pipework, the radiators, the boilers going over to combi from an open vented low pressure system. But I just wanted to show you the MagnaClean that's on this system and how badly sludged up and poorly maintained this has been. So I'm just going to unscrew the top of the old MagnaClean, which is going to be coming out. But this has never been cleaned or maintained on a service. So you can see the amount of sludge that's built up on that, on the return pipework going to this lower micron 50 FF standard gas boiler on an open vented system. You can see the amount of sludge that's been built up over the years. It's probably never been cleaned. I used to come and service this boiler, but due to it changing hands, the ownership of the house, I haven't been for sort of 5 years. So that's probably 5 years worth of sludge in there. So yeah, you can see what happens in pipework on a central heating system of this type, or any type really, but an open vented type generally does create more magnetite, more sludge than your standard combi system. Even though it does create a lot, that's generally a lot more is created on an open vented system. So just to show you that, I thought I'd just pass that over and let you see that on a video. So take care. Thanks a lot for joining us. Steve at Bradley Plumbing, Heating and Gas Services.